recognize me? I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
Yo, it's your boy 392 OG, and I'm back with another video. It is a little nighttime sesh. I'm out here with 392 Monte. We're gonna meet up with Jaden, and we're gonna get some clips going. My boy wanted to slide at the warehouse, so I said I'm gonna go out here and stack some clips for the channel. I hope you like the content we keep giving you guys, providing heat weekly, daily. About to drop a video tomorrow. If you see this is getting videotaped on Monday, so it don't take long, man. We get the footage, we do what we gotta do, and then we put it out. Keep them shits coming. So hope you enjoy. If you have not already, subscribe. Please subscribe. Please follow. It's your boy 392 OG.
My girlfriend wanted to come outside tonight.
She didn't want to come out?
She in there.
Oh yeah. I figured I ain't doing shit. I might as well. I heard that bitch coming, bruh. How your footage you get from Mexico shit go?
Bro, the cops came after one race, bro.
Yeah.
No.
Let me show you this.
Then I came here.
Look, Pat was about to race.
Pat, our Pat?
Yes, he was. If he would have raced, they would have chased his ass.
Oh shit.
Look,
They came from the back way?
Huh?
They came like from the back?
Yeah, we came down a dirt road.
The cops did?
Yes, they followed us all the way down the dirt road. All the way in the backside. Hold on, look. Yeah, I put it all in the... Drop off.
Yeah, I know this shit all I know you don't spin like that. I know you don't. I know this rain ain't no problem.
I can pull a fuse out and spin. Right here. Because look, they was like, stop, someone's coming. There's a car coming, pulling in. Fucking blue lights. Damn, hold on, let me lock screen this.
Oh, I know that nigga in that super.
This about to be a good ass race too.
Yo, this is crazy. This is the red Supra?
Yeah, no, that's the black one.
That was the black one.
Yeah, I raced him right here in Denver. He burned the fuck out of me.
Pat warming up his Pat was.
He got slick.
And then
Yeah, he got.
look at this right here. Yeah, here we go.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Right here. He was just about to race. They stopped for like a couple seconds and then look, he's getting up there ready to race and now look, car coming.
Oh shit. That's wild.
Bro, see, I've never ran when oh, they about to, oh yeah. I know you about to go down right now already.
Shit.
If we're not even out here that long, I could just throw this at the end of that video mode. Really?
Yeah. Fuck it. I already know. too long.
I just wanted to come play around.
Yeah, I got it.
Bro,
Hell yeah.
get the phone on. I don't want to think of it. Oh, that's good.
Hell yeah.
I need to get one of those lights.
Yeah, I'm gonna send you all my links, bro. One thing about warehouse, that shit don't last long.
And I taught myself no love, no hope. Cause they all boss and they want my dough. I can't be fixed, I never been broke. Back to a trick, I tell nothing joking. I'm like, quit playing with that pussy. When I'ma get my chance to fuck. Me and my niggas, we VIP, walk in, no pad down, blast.